time for a comeback. Blue Beetle, Flash is facing Blue Beetle. Now watch this. He's like breaking it right there. Like he's moving faster. That was weird how he's like pointing at him. Alright, Flash, let's see if you really can kick some butt. Passing the ball of lightning.
To being a hero. But I'm not sure I'm prepped up for this. That hesitation will get you killed.
That hesitation will get you killed. Wrecked, sucker. So there's Blue Beetle's shield. Get dunked on.
Next time, try stretching first.
I'm just gonna pin him in the corner. Like a boss. Yeah, I'm punching so fast, man. Don't blink. Super move it! This is a super move for those who don't know. Woo! Sphinx. Dino. Smash it into himself. I think it's weird how he doesn't reappear after. Yeah. Breaking that sound, Barry. Breaking the sound, Barry. Yeah, that's how it works, everybody.